Hey there, I'm Carrie Lawless.
I'm Kayla. I'm Maddie.
And we are Designaholics. On today's Designaholic DIY, this wall behind me is about to be transformed using chalk paint. Stay with us. We're about to show you how to modernize this wall for more of a farmhouse feel. So what we started out with was some dark wood windows. We had a very dark mantle here. You're gonna see that in the end. We painted it white, super cute. And then we're gonna use, okay, this is Waverly, it's a mess. This is our last jar, Waverly Cashew. So I whitewash a lot with white paint, which is gonna totally turn this gray. Gray was not working in here because we have warm tones all throughout this room. So what I did was I tried something a little bit different and we went with this, and it is, we did a little test spot and it softened it just enough, but it kept the warmth. So what we did is we've got two containers here. Here's this one, yeah. We've got water in one side and then a little bit watered down chalk paint on this side. And I'm going to show you how we mix these together and we're going to tone it all down. Can't wait to show you the end result. The first thing I'm going to do is dip my paint into this the first thing I'm going to do is dip my brush into this watered down paint. And then I'm going to add so I've got it like halfway in. I'm going to add a little water to it so I can really spread this around. I'm going to start in the grout line, very drippy. You want to make sure that you really push your brush into this grout. This one's very deep and very recessed. You know, every brick is different. Now I'm going to go back with just water and I'm going to really spread this out. So what's awesome is this goes really far. So as far as your material cost, I mean, oh, that shouldn't have happened. We'll get that later. All right, so as far as your material cost, it's going to be super low. Because a lot of what you're doing is just spreading around a little bit of paint with a lot of water. You can really use any type of water-based paint for this. I mean, I normally just use wall paint, house paint, whatever. We've got other videos that you'll see where we just used house paint. I did this like an exterior finish, and I used my exterior house paint and just watered it down. So as long as it's water-based, you can use whatever. All right, Kayla, how you feeling about this? You ready to give it a shot?
Yes.
So if you're wondering why I jumped off the ladder, it is because I was not prepared. So here's a lesson. Make sure all your surfaces are covered. What started happening is we were dripping. This stuff is super messy, super drippy. I should have had plastic on this brick. So before it dries down here, I am just spreading this out. And then Maddie's cutting a piece of plastic. We're going to throw it over here and I'm going to jump right back up. So much better when you prepare, right? All right, honey, there you go. So much better. Maddie, how about you? Can you see what we're doing so we can all be consistent?
Yep.
Excellent. Hey, did you know that I'm a licensed realtor? And if you're looking to get your home sold anywhere in the United States, I can definitely help you with that. And if you're looking to buy your dream home, I can help you with that as well. I have an entire network of partner agents all over this country that will team up with me, and then we team up with you and help you reach your real estate goals, whatever they may be. So if you're interested in working with me to get your home sold or buy your dream home, check out the link in the description, fill out this little form, and I will get right back with you. All right, on with the rest of the video. One thing I want to say is that, like, from different angles, especially if light is shining a certain way, you want to look at your brick from different angles. And the other thing is, when you're painting a wall, you need to get perspective. So you have to get off the ladder and step back, and you want to see everything all at one time. The other thing is, you want to turn your lights differently. Like if you've got a bright light shining on the wall like we do, you want to turn that off and just see what the regular light's going to look like so that you don't get too far off base. here's exactly what I was talking about. Look at what would be on this brick if we hadn't prepared. Oh my gosh, what a disaster. We are having a contest. Would you like to win a Designaholic t-shirt? All you have to do is comment below this video. We are going to pick our favorite comment and you will be the winner. Comment below. So there it is, there is the finished product. This is our same technique that we do whitewashing, except we're color washing to show you how you can tone down with different colors. Just use your imagination. I'm Carrie Lawless.
I'm Kayla. I'm Maddie.
And we are Designaholics. I sure hope you've enjoyed this. Make sure to subscribe, ring the bell for notifications, like and comment. We'll see you next time.